Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sartika Hasim and my student ID 219-13077. Okay, I will present my material, namely survey research. What is survey research? The survey research is a widely used research method for gathering data ranging from physical counts and frequencies to attitude and opinion. Surveys are classified according to their focus, scope, and time of data collection. Next, type of surveys. Surveys classified according to focus and scope. A survey that covers the entire population of interest is referred to as a census, an example of which is the U.S. Census, undertaken by the government every 10 years. The term population is asked to refer to the entire group of individuals to whom the findings of a study apply. The researcher defines the specific population of interest. Next, if you classify surveys on the basis of their scope, census versus sample and their focus, tangibles versus intangibles. 4 categories emerge. 1. A census of tangibles. 2. A census of intangibles. 3. A sample survey of tangibles. And 4. A sample survey of intangibles. Each type has its own contribution to make and its own inherent problems. Next, surveys classified according to the time dimension. Surveys are also classified according to the time of data collection. Longitudinal surveys, which study change across time, and cross-sectional surveys, which focus on a single point in time. Next, longitudinal surveys. Longitudinal surveys gather information at different points in time in order to study the change over extended period of time. 3 different designs are used in longitudinal survey research: panel study, trend study, and cohort research. Cross-sectional surveys. The cross-sectional surveys is the method of choice if you want to gather the data at one point in time. In a longitudinal study of vocabulary development, for example, a researcher would compare a measure of first grade studies vocabulary skill in 2000 with one when they were fourth grade student in 2003 and 70 grade student in 2006. A cross-sectional study would compare the vocabulary skill of a sample of children from grades 1, 4, and 7 in 2006. Next, survey technique. 6 basic steps involved in survey research. 1. Planning. 2. Defining the population. 3. Sampling. 4. Constructing the instrument. 5. Conducting the survey. And 6. Processing the data. Next, data gathering technique. There are 2 basic data gathering techniques in survey research: interviews and questionnaires. Interviews involve some from of direct contact between the people in the sample group and the interviewer. The researcher or someone trained by the researcher, who presents the questions to each person in the sample group and records their responses. When a questionnaire is asked, the questions are sent to all the members of the sample group, who record and return their responses to the questions. Next. Maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.